how to add Favicon on Webflow quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Favicon to your Webflow website. So let's get into it. You will open up your webflow.com and you will get right here. This is our main workspace where we will be able to find all of the websites that we're creating. In order to add a favicon, you have to select the website first. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. We have these three dots right here. Click on them. Then you have to select settings. It will take you right here. In settings, you have to select general. Then scroll down a little bit to icons and it will show you the favicon right here. You have to upload an image. The upload size should be 32 by 32 pixels, PNG, GIF, or JPG file to display in browser tabs. So I'm going to click on upload and then your image will be uploaded right here. Make sure the image size is 32 by 32 and it will look like this and it will be displayed in your browse tabs. Once done, click on save changes and your favicon will be added. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.